Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Tradingview in the Groww app step by step. Open Groww and find the stock chart, then switch to Tradingview mode to access advanced charting. Tap the Indicators menu to add moving averages or RSI, and use the drawing tools to mark trend lines and support levels. Save your preferred layout and practice with small positions until you feel confident using the tools. Open the drawing toolbar and practice placing trend lines and Fibonacci levels gently, as if marking maps for trades. Add indicators from the panel, like RSI or EMA, and tweak their settings to match your strategy. Change timeframes to confirm patterns across multiple durations, and use the crosshair to check exact price points. Regularly save chart templates so you can return to consistent views quickly and confidently. Customize your Tradingview charts for clarity and speed by saving templates with your preferred indicators and colors. Use multi-layout views to compare different tickers or timeframes at once, which helps confirm setups across contexts. Turn on grid lines and price labels to track exact levels, and adjust candle styles if you prefer bars or candles. Regularly update templates as your strategy evolves to keep the workspace.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.